Hi guys, and welcome back to another vlog. In this vlog today we're going to look at Angus. As you know, I haven't touched him for quite a while, so now's the time to do some more work on him. We're still in lockdown here in the UK, and I'm still waiting on parts for the Mini 30. So while I'm waiting on parts, I may as well do some work to Angus. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Remember to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell notification. That way you'll get notified as soon as I upload future videos. I am going to try and make them regular and keep you guys up to date with what's going on. And also there's a new channel that's sprung up. It's called Mark's Mini Garage. Now Mark's just started a restoration project, same as Angus, same colour. I think they're the same year as well actually, but don't quote me on that. So there'll be a link to Mark's channel down in the description, so if you could jump over there and give him a bit of support and subscribe to his channel, I'm sure that's going to be a really good build. From what I've seen so far, I spoke to Mark, it does look like it's going to be a really good build. He has got a good base to start with, so yeah. Also, thanks for all the comments on the Mini 30 video. Jimmy the Piggy, Jimmy Maxwell, I don't know if these are the same guys, but thanks for your advice on the brake calipers. I'm going to get onto that job very shortly, just as soon as the brake overhaul kit arrives. So yeah, thanks for your valuable advice on that, and I will take that on board when I make the video. So anyway, let's get a look at Angus and see what he needs done. This front panel has been bugging me for quite a while. It's been what, 2 years since I took the front end off, and I still haven't cleaned it up properly. So I'm going to get rid of this here, which is the remains of the old wing. There's actually two wings on that. This wing here is the original, and this wing here, or the remains, is a replacement wing. So all they done when they put a new wing on that was they just cut it off at the edge of the inner wing, left the remains of the old inner wing on, and then just fired a new wing on top of it. So I've got that to clean up, so I'll clean up all along here on the car and try and do something with this as well, because that's a mess. And also get rid of the old bits of metal here and the remains of the front valance. I've actually sliced up here, so I've got that to fill in as well and join back up, and then maybe try and get this cleaned up as well, and then primer. So what I'll do is I'll pop you on time lapse and let you see it on time lapse, because this is going to be long and boring, so rather than bore you to death with real time, I'll just pop some music on in the background, put you on time lapse, and then we'll come back. We'll come in and out and see how we're getting on. this is where we're up to. Next I'll cut this out, dress this up. In fact, I'll dress that up first. Dress that up, get a little bit of weld in there, because that's split there, and weld this edge up here as well, because as you can see that's split away. Well, it's been cut away, so I'll weld that back up. The tops came out really well, quite pleased with that. Ended up just going on to the bigger flap disc, because the little Rolocs, they were just getting munched up, and it's not really ideal to use them to do big long areas like that. So yeah, as you've seen there, I've got the return edge of the valance out, so that's gone now. I just unpicked all that. So yeah, let's get some more work done. Well guys, I think I'm going to call it a day at that. The patch that I've put on here, it's okay. It's not great. Not too happy with it, but it'll do. You'll never see that. I had the welder on the wrong settings. This welder's got various settings on it, and I had it at number 2 I think, and it just didn't feel right. But I didn't realise it. It's just habit, because with my other welder, number 2 on the Clark, it was perfect, you know. And when I was filling in the holes after grinding it back and finding obviously the pinholes, I realised that the welder was on the wrong setting, so I turned it up to number 4, and it was welding beautifully after that. If only I'd realised that at the very start, I would have saved myself a lot of grief. So there's still a couple of holes. There's a little hole there that I've just noticed that I'll need to fill in, so I'll fill that in tomorrow with the welder and get this clean back, and maybe even get the bulkhead cleaned as well, get that cleaned back and into primer, you know. So still got a few bits and pieces still to do yet, which I can certainly do, hopefully tomorrow if I get a chance. I think we'll wrap that up for Angus for today, and once again, if you have made it this far, thanks for watching. Remember to hit that subscribe button and ding that little bell as well, and I'll see you shortly, well, on the next one, which hopefully will be Annie. With a bit of luck I'll get the parts tomorrow and I can crack on with Annie. Failing that, I'll jump back onto Angus and I'll get more of that wing cleaned up and the bulkhead hopefully. Anyway guys, stay safe and I'll see you later. Bye now.